Welcome to the complete installation guide for the Phaetus DXC2 extruder. Let's upgrade your setup step by step. Part 1. Printing the required parts. The DXC2 requires a compatible riser. You can buy the official ABS GF kit or DIY print it from the official GitHub page. Critical material note: always use ABS or high-temperature filaments. If you print the riser in PLA or PETG, high chamber temperatures will warp and deform it. Part 2. Removing the original extruder. Power off your printer. Remove the front cover, press the cap, and pull out the PTFE tube. Unscrew the 3 side mounting screws. Keep these screws. We will reuse them later. Next, remove the 2 motor screws. Gently pull the extruder forward, unplug the runout and cutter sensor connectors, and take the stock extruder off. Part 3. Replacing the cable chain mount. Unscrew the 3 screws securing the original mount. Lift the top cover away. Use an H1.5 hex wrench to pry open the slot clip and release the last link of the chain. Now, route the cables through your printed riser and secure the riser onto the tool head using those 3 original screws. Tuck the cables neatly into the semicircular channel. Pop the top cover back on, locking the chain tabs. Secure the left side with 1 stock screw and the right side with the included M3x15 self-tapping screw. Part 4. Installing the DXC2 extruder. Crack open the stock extruder shell. Remove the 3 screws holding the sensor PCB and take out both the cutter and runout sensors. Now, snap open your new DXC2 body. Place the sensors into the rear cover. Make sure the cutter sensor sits completely flush against the extruder body with no gap. Secure them with 3 M2x4 self-tapping screws. Plug in the cutter connector, mount the motor back on, and plug in the runout sensor. Align the rear cover with the tool head. Partially catch the 3 stock mounting screws to check alignment, then tighten them fully. Snap the front cover assembly on until there is no visible gap, and plug the PTFE tube back in. Hardware installation complete.
Part 5. Firmware modification. Find your printer's IP address in the network settings. Open a browser on your computer and type your IP:4408 to access the backend interface. Go to Configuration and open the gcode-macro.cfg file. Locate the quit material, retrude material macro, and change the retraction speed value to E-40. Click Save and Restart. Next, open the box.cfg file. Find the box section. Add a hashtag in front of the old TN retrude line to comment it out, and type in the new value, TN retrude :-20. It should turn gray. Restart your printer, and your DXC2 is officially ready for a brand new printing journey. Happy making!